How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Open the option screen time. Scroll down. Open the option content and privacy restrictions. Head towards the option of allowed apps. Make sure you have toggle on for all these apps. Now head back. Go to the option content restrictions. Go to the option apps. Set it to don't allow. Wait for a few seconds and set it to allow all. Once you do that, go back. Go to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Go to the option general. Open the option software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your software to its latest version. Once you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Select the option reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. This is how you can fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.